Hello everyone. Today we will be learning topic file handling. What is file handling? Simply interacting with the file on your system, on your operating system is file handling. So you can read data, write data, store data, modify data, open a file, perform certain actions on it with the help of file handling. Let's see how we can interact with the files here. First of all, we will be creating a file and writing something into it. In order to do so, you will use a keyword with open, and here you will write down the location of your file. Let's say I'm creating file in D drive, name in the folder Python, so give path like this, and then name of the file you want. So python.txt. Let's say this is the file I want, and now I'll write W here. W stands for write. Then you will say as a file and put colon here. Done. Now you can simply write file dot write. File dot write, whatever you want to write in it. So you can say I am learning file handling and writing data in it. That's it. Now you can execute this. Before that, let me make this as a comment, and let's execute this. Alright, nothing is displayed. That means file is created. Let's go to the folder and look at this. In D drive, Python folder is there. I never created this file. It is automatically created. Let's open this and see. I am learning file handling and writing data in it. It is written over here. This is how you can write data. If you want to write multiple lines, I'll show you that also. At the end, you can write down \n. This means new line. This means new line, and then you can add a new line here. You can again write file write, or you can write next line after this also. Or you can write like file dot write again if you want to write again. And here, this is new line. Again execute this. Let's open the file. Close it. It's gonna get refreshed. Now see, in the next line it is written this is new line. So this sign here is to initiate the next line. That means in the next line this will be written. Even after this you can write the next line, but in the next line also you can do so. This is how you will be writing data in the file. Next is how to read a file. So read from the file. Alright, so again you will write with open, location of your file, python.txt, and then here you will write R. So earlier you wrote W. W stands for write, and now you're writing R. R stands for read. Here you will write as file. Exactly same, guys. Exactly same code. So as file, close this here. And after this, any variable I'm declaring here, content. And what I want to see in a content, I'm saying please read the file. So file dot read, and whatever you're reading, please assign. That means please assign it to the content. So it will read the data, file's data will be read, and it will be given to this content. And then you can print the content. Print, simply you will write content. Let's execute and see the result. I'm gonna make this as comment, as I don't want it to write again. Let's execute and see the result. Before that, let me send it this side. Indentation is very important, guys. Alright, let's execute and see the result. Look at this. I am learning file handling and writing data in it. This is a new line. The content is read. This is how we can read the content. Next is how to append something to the file. So for that, how we write it? Append to the file. Here you will, again, same line. So I'm going to copy this line as it is. Just replace this R with A because we are appending. And now we'll write file dot write, and you can write something which you want to append. So let's say I'm appending something just to make it differentiated. I am appending this line. Then you can write slash n for the next line if you want to add. So let's execute this and see the result. I'll go to the file and see what is added here. Need to refresh. Look, I'm appending this line because guys there is no new line given here. That's why it added here only. If after this line I give /n, this line will come to the next line. So this is how you can append anything in file. Next is reading updated file. Now how to read updated file? Read updated file. This is very important when you work real time, because sometimes in the cookies you see the old files only, but you need to see the updated and refreshed file. For that the code is exactly same. We're going to pick this line as it is, Control C, and I'm going to paste it here. I'll use R here because I'm reading data in this case. After this I'll write refreshed content or updated content file dot read, then print refreshed underscore content. So this is gonna print the refreshed content. Let's see, execute this. See here, I am learning file ending this. This is a new line which is added. I'm appending this line, so it's giving me the refreshed content. This is how guys you do the file handling with Python. It's very simple. You're using the same line, only things which differs is here W stands for write, R stands for read, A is to append something, and if you want the updated content, again the function operation is same, read. Here you are just passing the refreshed content and storing it here. What is with statement? Using with open is like having a robot assistant. It opens the file for you and closes it when you are done. No worries about forgetting to close it. So if you're using with open, you should not be worried whether the file is closed or not. It will automatically close the file. And even if you want to close the file separately, simple as file dot and the method is close. You can write close and the files will be closed. So when you execute it, you will see the files are closed after this. So guys, this is the concept of file handling. It is very important concept when you are dealing with the files, because let's say if you are using Python for data analysis or you're using Python for software testing, of course you're dealing with files in that case, and you must know how to write, read and append data in the files. That's all for file handling guys. Thank you so much.